What's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about Flying Research's Black Friday promotion. So they're offering 50% off their bundle package where you can get their research tool for print on demand and their print on demand uploader for half off. And I wanted to let you know that they have released new functionality that basically serves as your cloud-based central repository for your print on demand designs. Now, I know I can't be the only one watching this video that has struggled with how to keep everything organized. All right. Like I kind of have my own methodology now, but that came to fruition over years of doing this stuff. And I know that like when I go talk to Marielle and she's like in the early stages of her print on demand business, like she's struggling with the same thing. Like, how do I make sense of managing and storing all of my designs and backing them up? You don't want to create a nice design and then delete it or forget where you kept it, right? So Flying Research, their new tool is basically an online home base for your print on demand efforts, okay? And you can get it for 50% off. Now, really quickly, let me just show you how I use Flying Research and Flying Upload. I believe they're just tying everything to Flying Research, if I remember correctly. So you may just see them kind of rebranded as that. I could be wrong, by the way, but their research tools are really nice. They're great for your print on demand efforts. One of the most basic things you can do to increase the likelihood of being successful as a print on demand seller is following the customers. And when you go to their research tool, you see the most popular print on demand designs being sold on the world's #1 e-commerce marketplace, Amazon. Okay, so it's a perfect fit. If you're trying to make money, hey, the easiest way to do that is get in front of the customers. So you can use their research tool to do that, find the best sellers. They have another functionality called Seller Trends, which shows you the biggest jump in BSR, meaning significant increase in sales over a short period of time recently. That can also help you identify some of the up and coming trends. So Flying Research is great. They have the Flying Upload as well, and they have the design management portion attached to that now. So instead of you just having to queue it up from your computer, you can upload it to their design management software and upload from there, guys. It's got a ton of functionality built out. It probably deserves its own video, but I did want to make you aware that that's included if you go with their Black Friday bundle. So again, you can download your images from here. You can just store them there. You can upload from there. You can sort by various things like color, title, etc. It's like a database for all of your design information, right? So if you have one new design, you upload it there, you set a title, you set a description, you set bullets, and then you can say, all right, upload it to Merch by Amazon, upload it to Redbubble, and upload it to everywhere else. Like, hit the everywhere else checkbox, right? And get it pushed to as many destinations as possible to make as much money as possible, occupy as much online real estate as possible. You guys already know the spiel. This is just applying basic logic to our business to try to allow ourselves to be as successful as possible. This is going to make it easy for you to do that. Obviously, the print on demand uploader, when I say as many places as possible, here's just a few of the destinations that you can upload to using Flying Upload. By the way, they also have KDP upload automation software as well. So when you look at their bundles, guys, you're looking at annual prices, by the way. That's how you lock in the biggest discounts. I just realized I put $159 to $159 here. That is a mistake. It's actually $320 on sale for $159. That is for the research and trademark bundle, but I would recommend, if you're open to using the upload automation, look into the professional bundle. That's what you see on the left-hand side of the screen there. Normally $989 a year, on sale right now for $494. While that does carry a hefty price tag, guys, this is the type of software that, like, if you use it, you're making that back. You know what I mean? If you guys subscribe to my channel, you already know that, like, I make more than that in a month, and pretty much all of my upload efforts are using automation. I lean heavily on the research tools because I believe so strongly in just selling what people are buying. I know it's a simple concept, but like, you'd be surprised. Sometimes it gets lost on people. Sell what people are buying. Use upload automation. It's the equivalent of hiring an employee, except this employee works 24 hours a day, right? And you don't need to pay it a recurring. You just pay for Flying Upload, get your annual 50% off, and you're good to go for the year. So anyways, that's my spiel. I wanted to make sure you guys were aware about how I use Flying Research, Flying Upload for my print on demand business, guys. The Black Friday savings are 50% off. You can find the links and the promo codes that you'll need to apply at checkout in the description.